devices were on that search warrant, so I collected that, transported it back to the sheriff's office, and turned it over to our computer forensic detective.
After taking those items to Station 1, is that correct? You went to Station 1?
That's correct.
Which is located in the same building where we're at now? 2201 Hogback. Did you return to that Warner Avenue address?
Yes.
Did you stand by at the scene for some time?
Stood by for several hours. This was during the search by Detective Roberts as well as the Michigan State Police lab personnel that responded. I also was present for the exhumation of the body from the clandestine grave.
Did you eventually attend the autopsy a few days later?
I believe it was May 20th.
Thank you. May I have a moment, Your Honor?
Yes.
Pass witness.
Cross-examination.
Good afternoon, sir. When you went to the location, did you have a search warrant? Oh, when was that search warrant signed?
I don't know the specific time. It was signed on May 17th by Judge J. Cedric Simpson. It was prior to any search of the property.
That it was prior to you digging into the bag.
Prior to me entering the property or digging into the clandestine grave, it had already been signed.
Who was the affiant on that search warrant? Where did you get the probable cause facts for the affidavit for search warrant?
So I obtained the probable cause for the search warrant reviewing body camera footage from Deputy Rob to a welfare check, the 1315 believes that it was water, as well as from a phone conversation I overheard by Detective Morrison, who was on speakerphone with Sergeant Hogan.
Yeah. And so those were the only sources of information for your affidavit?
Specific affidavit. I believe that's likely.
Thank you. No further questions, y'all.
Reader.
No, Your Honor, may this witness be excused?
Yes. You may step down. Thank you, sir.
Defendant Morrison.
All right. Please come forward and be sworn.
Right. You solemnly swear the affirmative testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Have a seat. State spell your first and last name for the record.
Detective Heather Morrison, HCA,
You may inquire.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you employed?
I'm a detective of the Washington County Sheriff's Office,
How long have you been employed as a detective?
since 2020.
Do you have prior law enforcement experience before you were a detective?
Yeah, I was with the county, I've been with Washington County since 2006, so 19 years.
Were you working on May the 17th, 2024? How did you become involved with an investigation into the homicide of Pedro Fleming?
Man, so they believe that a great and I think they're doing right.
And did you respond to the scene or do something else?
Initially spoke with MSP, let them know that's when we got the information from Detective Sargering. We FaceTime. Well, first we reviewed the Detective Rob's body camera, got the information, got the search warrant signed. Then we found that the defendant was coming back to Station 1 to be interviewed. So we had MSP en route, got the body discovered by Detective Sargering, and then I interviewed the suspect.
Where was the defendant interviewed?
In interview room number 3 at the sheriff's office here.
Are you able to identify the person that you interviewed on May the 17th, 2024? You see him in this courtroom? Can you tell me where he's sitting and what he's wearing?
People green jumpsuit on and
Your Honor, may this record reflect the witness identify the defendant?
Shall reflect without objection.
Was the defendant read his Miranda warnings?
yes,
Did he waive those rights and agree to speak with you and Detective Reisanen? Did he say how long he'd been living with Deidre?
approximately 2 months, about 2 months in time.
2 months this time, you said? How did he describe her physical condition?
He said that his grandmother was frail, that she had rods in her back and neck, and that she had COPD. That she would not be able to make it to the end of the driveway if she had to walk.
When asked about Theodore what did the defendant say at first?
That he didn't know.
Did he say when the last time he saw her was?
He said that he believed it was Tuesday morning.
Was the defendant questioned about any digging or other activity that had happened in the backyard?
He was.
And how many people did the defendant say had dug in that backyard?
He said the only people that had access to the backyard today were, to his knowledge, himself and maybe Theodore did a little bit.
Had anyone else been in the backyard digging to the defendant's knowledge?
Yes.
Was the defendant ever confronted with information about what had been found by law enforcement in the backyard garden / flower bed area? How was that done?
The material that had been exposed, photographs that we received from the scene.
At first, did he claim any knowledge of what had been found in the garden or flower bed?
No.
What did he say?
So that he didn't know what it was.
Eventually, did you discuss what was found in the flower bed? You and Detective Reisman with him?
Yes. He found, Theodore.
What did he say after that happened?
That he knew what happened, but he was afraid that we wouldn't believe what he had to say.
Did he ever tell you how Theodore had gotten into the flower bed?
Yes.
What did he say?
So that he picked her up and that he drugged her, out there after he had killed her.
Did he describe killing her?
Yes.
What did he say about that?
You said that on Tuesday morning, his grandmother had come downstairs. I guess I should back up and say that earlier, Monday, they had gotten into a little bit of an argument about what happened at the vet. She also had been, talking to him about getting a job or going back to school. This made him feel like his grandmother didn't love him anymore. He had felt that way for a while.
You said the vet. Let's stop there for a second and back you. You said something about Monday at the vet. What happened Monday? What did the defendant say happened Monday at the vet?
Monday at the vet, he said that Pedro got upset with him because he was laughing. The dog was, this big dog, he's uncontrollable.
And they had gone to the vet with the dog?
Yeah.
What happened while they were at the vet?
So, the defendant had a whole, Humphrey, who's the dog, had a whole Humphrey, because he wasn't sedated properly.